Stop. Are you currently getting this ban on Fortnite? If you are, then this means you've been permanently HWID banned from the game. If you are facing this, then you're going to need to use a permanent HWID spoofer to get fully unbanned. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that very thing. In today's video, we're going to be checking out CleanBan's permanent HWID spoofer. If you don't know what an HWID spoofer is, it is an application or tool that unbans you from any of your favorite games. Yes, any game that you're banned from, this spoofer will lift from it. Instead of wasting your money buying a brand new motherboard which can run your pockets hundreds of dollars, you can buy CleanBan for as low as $20 for a singular key, and you only need to use it once to get unbanned. That's the best thing about this. No having to waste your money, no having to waste anything, just be super efficient and you're gonna get unbanned in one click. Not just that, if you're facing this ban, which is known as a TPM ban, and CleanBan will also get rid of that ban and allow you to play the game again. And not to mention that with CleanBan Spoofer, you can also reinstall your Windows device and all your freshly spoofed serials will go ahead and stay. That's a huge upgrade from having to use shitty providers that don't do any of these things. To show you guys I'm not just talking, go ahead and join CleanBan's Discord in the description below and you can see all of their vouches. They don't just have a few, they have thousands upon thousands of customers that are gonna vouch their very existence as a service. They have been a provider for years and are here to make an impact. I now want to show you guys how you can get your own key to get unbanned right now. Head over to cleanban.com and scroll down until you see the permanent spoofers and the temporary. The temporary is if you want a one-click solution that you only have to use every time you restart your computer. It's quick and simple, which is best for cheaters, but today's video is about the permanent spoofer, but you only have to use it once, but you have to reinstall your device. After selecting the permanent cleaner, you're going to see two options, a lifetime and a one-time. The one-time is if you want a fresh start at the game, play legitimate, and stop cheating. This option would be for you. Then you have the lifetime option. If you want to save some money, keep cheating, and you're going to keep getting banned, then save some money and pay the $70 instead of paying $20 every ban. Then select on purchase and then just wait. After getting to the checkout, just simply enter your email address where your key will be sent, then pay with credit card, PayPal, or cryptocurrency. You can also pay with a ton of other cryptocurrencies if you select the three dots over there. You can also pay with Cash App, Venmo, or Zelle inside their Discord server in the description. After getting your license key, go ahead and open up cb.exe. After opening it up, enter in your license key and hit login. After logging in, head over to the checker tab and save these serials by taking a screenshot. After saving your serials, head over to the spoofer tab and you're gonna see two options, disable Wi-Fi and auto restart. Turn on disable Wi-Fi if you depend on it because that's gonna be a crucial option. The auto restart is if the spoofer is done and you're not gonna be at your computer, this will automatically restart your computer for you. Then go ahead and select EFI or permanent spoof. If you're not sure which one to use, go ahead and check the instruction manual, and then after you decide which one's best for you, hit permanent spoof and restart your device once it completes. After going ahead and spoofing, open up your before serials and open up your after serials with any simple checker, and then you can go ahead and compare them. And as you can see, everything has gone ahead and changed and proved that CleanBan has worked 100%. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure to check out CleanBan and show them some support and love. All their links are in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.